gosh, is that tears I see? Oh my goodness.
I'm so happy. What do we do now?
Let's go find our bags.
We're in Thailand with my two best friends. My two best friends. I just made that a song. I won't sing it this whole time though, I promise.
I doubt it.
So Laura, what do you think of our street? So cutest street.
While the girls are away, Tyler will play. Alright, the girls are back from their spa.
And we're glowing.
Man, you guys look amazing. 40 minutes late, but what happened?
What happens at the spa stays at the spa.
Yeah.
One of the most popular pad Thai places according to TripAdvisor. And
they've been heads down for about 2 minutes now.
Texas! Oh my god! No, just stop moving, you Egypt!
Yeah. One night in Bangkok.
we're doing it, Thailand.
Hot Pong Night Market. Here we go.
Not ready.
It's about to get crazy. It's about to get a little nuts. Laura doesn't know what's about to happen. It's about to get nuts. We made a pit stop.
These are shop stop. A shop stop. That's way better.
Shop stop. We found a rock show.
We are on our way to Damnoen Saduak, the most popular floating market of Bangkok. Hitting it before the sun came up. We're very excited to be there before all the other tourists.
That one.
Which one?
This one. The other one.
This one. This one? Yeah. Okay. No, wait. Wait.
The girls have been looking at bowls for the past 15 minutes.
Tyler, they're planters.
They're hanging bowls. And when it came down to choose one, they chose the exact same one.
Tyler had no idea what this was. He thought he thought that this was something you could put, what was it, babe? Keys in?
All kinds of stuff.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff.
This is my life.
There was no authenticity here at all. I would not applaud the floating markets or tell people to come. You can imagine what maybe it used to be like, but it's very disappointing for what it is now. It's just it's cool, it's like Venice. You just ride around in a boat, and yeah, in a boat. Tourist shops in a boat.
Okay, so we're getting ready to board our bus in about like 20 minutes or so. Said there was 32 seats open and we were told to sit in this little lobby and then somebody would come and get us.
I don't know who this man is, but he looks a lot like Tyler. How much? This man is overcharging.
Who's thinking he
Move
is?
on.
It's ridiculous.
Move on.
No.
Hey, get out of here. Hey.
You don't want to take my bus?
Where is the stupid bus? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It takes off in 20 minutes. We have been told by everyone in this area that to wait here and they'll pick us up. We're still the only ones in this room.
Seen a bit. Actually, about 12 hours.
There are so many mosquitoes on this bus. We are going to be covering ourselves the entire way to Phuket. It's like scary. It's like I'm standing in a swamp and we're on this bus for 13 hours. Everyone is trying to kill them. And that's a cheap bus in Thailand. 13 hours. What do you think?
Let's begin. On this episode of Days of our Thailand trip, went from a bus to a van, and now we're going to a boat, which will probably lead us to a tuk-tuk, which will then ultimately get us to the hotel.
How long have we been traveling?
About 17
hours.
17?
17 hours.
17?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
17 hours.
Perfect.
We made it!
Oh.
We are. They're like...
Better than yours.
How much is this?
Alright, let's go, gate 2. Go pee-pee.
Gonna need a bigger boat.
And here we are in sweatshirts and sweatpants looking like to go to the hotel and get it cleaned up.
That's me. This segment of vlog while Laura's here is the Tyler Diaries.
Oh boy.
We're hungry. We want to go get some food. Ashley just said she's not hungry, but she actually is hungry.
Yeah, you should. Daddy, could you just go pick up some food? Yeah, you ready?
This just in the Tyler Diaries. Tyler's gonna go get food, and if I bring food back, they're all gonna be like, "Man, it smells really good. Can I have a bite?" And I'm
Tyler,
like, "No."
you're bringing us food.
You're bringing everyone
dummy.
food.
Oh,
It's not solo food.
No, you're going to get